Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Okay, this is a little strange. It had a wood frame to hold, and they were counting on this particle board that was fiberglassed in to give it support. Part of the problem was because this drain, which happens, leaked. The moisture got to all that particle board around it, and then that caused that area to break. And then the other was where that corner there, and then right here. You notice this area here is not supported, and this all got rotted, this particle board. And then this area here didn't have anything there anymore because all this got rotted out by particle board. So the support, even though it's elevated, the support was rotted and didn't work out. So again, when you have a crack in your tub, that's because the support underneath it has given out, whatever design. This is one I haven't seen before. And I've been around it for 30-something years, taking these things apart. Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.